So here we have the Ford Focus Z-Tech on a 12 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. As you notice from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We'll start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So you'll see as we approach the back of the car, we've got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see that it's in really lovely condition for its age. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard as well, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. At the bottom in the middle we've got the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges, and then above that the trip computer, which also includes the total miles on this car, which are 34,480. You can change the information that's displayed up there by pushing the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel. Lots of different bits of fuel economy information, as you can see. If we back out to the steering wheel itself, the buttons I was using a moment ago are these ones here. On this side we can operate various features on the stereo system, and underneath here we've got the ability to control the stereo in terms of volume and skipping CD tracks and things like that. That's all controlled just there. The stereo itself over in the centre here is where you'll find the radio settings. So this car's got FM radio, as you can see, and if I keep pushing the button you'll also see it has AM and also DAB digital radio too. In terms of other ways of listening to music, you've also got a CD player, and you can pair up your phone. As you can see there, I've just pressed the phone button, so you can select to pair up the phone. Once you've done that, you can make calls and receive calls wireless and hands-free. Beneath that we've got the main stereo unit. You can see the CD player at the top of that one. The volume is controlled from here, and this section of buttons will control various options on the screen and mirror the buttons on the steering wheel, so you can do exactly the same from either two locations. Underneath that we've got the air conditioning. So fan speed is adjustable here, temperature in the middle dial, direction of the air over on the right hand side, then simply hit that button to turn the air conditioning on or back off again. Underneath that we've got rear and front heated screen, and this button here. So this car's got stop and start. If you push this button, you're turning the system off. So the car is designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. If you want to turn that off, you can do. You'd need to do it each and every time you start the car. There's a 5-speed manual gearbox, and then underneath here a 12-volt charging socket for satellite navigations or phones or whatever else you might want to connect to that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.